Hi students, MCQ number 8. How much should the pressure be increased in order to decrease the volume of a gas by 5% at constant temperature? So very interesting question which is based on Boyle's law. See here children, at constant temperature what is happening? The volume of the gas is decreased by 5%. So as per Boyle's law, by keeping the temperature constant when the volume decreases, pressure should increase. Is it not that? So by how much percentage the pressure is going to increase, we are going to determine. So here PV is equal to constant. So P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2 at constant temperature. Okay, now let us take for example, the initial volume V1 is V and the final volume V2 is equal to V minus 5 by 100 times V, because volume is decreased by 5%. So original volume minus 5% of the original volume. So this also can be written now as V minus 5 by 100 is 0.05 times V, that is equal to 1 minus 0.05 into V. So 1 minus 0.05 is what? 0.95 V. This is very important information for us to solve the problem. Okay. So V1 is taken as V. V2 is 0.95 V. Okay, 95% of the original volume. Similarly, let the initial pressure P1 be equal to P. And now what we have to first find out? We have to find out the final pressure first. And then what we have to find? The change in pressure. Okay, that is delta P percentage we have to find out. That is equal to P2 minus P1 divided by P1 into 100. In percentage, if you find means which is the option we have to determine. First, are you understanding what is given and what is asked in the problem? Okay. Now, using this equation, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 and substituting V1 V2 and P1, what we are going to determine is P2. Okay. So, directly I will write P2 is now equal to P1 into V1 divided by V2. So P2 is once again equal to P into V divided by V2. So what is V2? V2 is found as 0.95 times V. So this is 0.95 times V. So I can cancel these two V and write this is now equal to, that is P2 is equal to P divided by 0.95. So this is equal to 100 by 95. 100 by 95 times P. Because 1 divided by 0.95 is also equal to 100 divided by 95 times P. So 100 divided by 95 must be certainly greater than 1, is it not? And that is found to be 1.0526 times P. If you divide by calculator, you will get this is 1.0526 into P. Okay. So we have found P2, the value of P2 in terms of P1. Now we will find out what is the percentage increase in pressure. So percentage increase in pressure. Okay, we have to find out. So that is given by what? P2. Okay, that is equal to P2 minus P1, final pressure minus initial pressure divided by initial pressure, and in percentage if you want means we have to multiply by 100. So this is now equal to P2. What is the value of P2? 1.0526 times P. So 1.0526 times P minus P1, that is equal to P itself. We have taken P1 is equal to P and divided by P into 100%. So this is P can be taken as common factor 1.0526 minus 1 divided by P into 100%. So this P get cancelled, okay, pressure get cancelled. 1.0526 minus 1 is 0.0526 into 100 in percent. So this will be equal to what? 2 decimals will shift when you multiply by 100. So this must be equal to 5.26%. This is the answer. So by how much percentage the pressure is increasing? See, normally our mind will think like that. When pressure decreases, volume increases. When volume decreases, pressure increases. By the same amount only our mind will calculate. So most of us will think as what? 5% only. It will lead to the wrong answer. But actually when we calculate how much it is coming, children, it is 5.26%. So such problems we should not attend without doing the solution. We have to practice such problems. Understand? So what is the expected answer here is 5.26%. Therefore, which option is correct? Option B is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.